Welcome back, everyone. This video shows you card number 5 in my lovely arrangements card kit that I have available to go. As part of the kit, you're going to make 8 different cards, so you'll receive all of the pre-cut supplies to make those 8 cards, and envelopes, and a full pack of embellishments, which are the Moody Palette, there we go, Glossy Dots. And you'll have some extra designer paper left over as well that coordinates with the bundle. It does not include stamps and inks, so you will need to provide your own stamps. I am using the lovely arrangements bundle, so I'm using this stamp set and the coordinating dies. You can use something else that you have on hand, or you can go order the bundle from my website if you prefer. So let me just jump in. So this will be the next card. I'm going to just move it out of the way. We are going to use basic black ink. And the only stamping on this card, because all of the designer paper does all the work on this card, is going to be the words Happy Birthday. So we're going to ink that up. We're stamping it on just a scratch piece of white paper. And then we're going to use the coordinating die that comes with the dies to cut out the Happy Birthday. So I'm going to do that off camera. And we have our Happy Birthday. And this one is just really all about assembling because, like I said, the designer paper is going to do all the work. This piece is part of one of the patterns, and so when you cut it out, it's 3 by 4. And we're going to get out some glue. And we're going to just start assembling. We're going to put the designer paper on a piece of Secret C cardstock that's going to be 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. And we're going to put that on a piece of cloud cover cardstock that I don't know exactly off the top of my head. I believe it is 3 3/8 by 4 3/8. We're going to set that aside a minute. We're using a Secret C card base, so for the inside, just going to add some white cardstock to write on. For the front of the card, I've got 2 pieces of our designer paper. They are both 5 3/8, and one is 1 inch and one is 3 inches. We're going to add that to the front of the card, leaving just a little edge all around. And we're going to add the other piece, leaving just a little edge, and it leaves a little gap between the 2 pieces. All right, and then we're ready to add this piece onto the front, and this just gets centered. I've got a piece of old olive twine. This is still currently available, this twine, but it is on our last chance products list. So when it's gone, it's gone. And it comes in a 2-pack. You get Old Olive and Early Espresso. And both really good colors, honestly, to have on hand. We're just going to tie a little bow. I'm going to get out a glue dot to adhere it to the card. I'm going to put it right about there. We're just kind of guessing. And then we're going to trim some dimensionals. We're going to trim this twine too, because that was a very big piece. We're going to trim some dimensionals to use on the back of this happy birthday piece. I'm going to add that to the front of the card. We're just kind of going over where the knot is on the bow. And then we're going to bring in the glossy dots. This is the Moody Palette Glossy Dots. We're using the black. We're going to use, I say black, it's Secret Sea, but it's basically black. A large one, a small one, and another small one. And you get a whole pack of these embellishments, so you can add more to your card if you would like, or you can make it exactly like I have mine. Totally up to you, and that is the finished product. Thanks for watching.